Hi, today I'm going to show you how to use the Naviate dynamic line set to create a traffic island with a solid. I'm going to start by creating a line set along my line. I'm going to hit enter to create it all the way around. I'm going to select the predefined grading template called the traffic island with solid. And I'm going to name this one traffic island. I'm going to hit OK. And we can see the traffic island has been created in 3D. In 3D, we have 3D solids created, one for the curb around the traffic island and one for the middle. And we can take a look in Object Viewer to see how it looks for the solids. We can use Edit Line Set to make quick edits to this. But I can, for instance, say that I need this one to be higher. We can change the relative elevation. We can immediately see that the solid has been updated, and as soon as I hit OK, the changes are applied. I can also duplicate this traffic island by using Copy to Pre-Selected. By selecting my line and using Select Similar, we can see that I have 3 more traffic islands down here. I'm just going to zoom out my 3D as well. And then I can use Copy to Pre-Selected. I'm going to select one object in the original line set over here. And then we can see that the traffic islands are created directly. We can zoom in and take a look at how it looks. Thank you for watching.